Hey friend, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, y'all. So we are back at it with another one, and y'all, I want to get right into it, but before I do that, go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the family. We do a bunch of DIYs vlogs every week as well. So y'all, I want to jump right into it. So I went ahead and took two pieces of mesh fabric and cut them into like long rectangular pieces to get the base for the top of the dress. And as you can see me here, I am sewing on the applique, and y'all, I did this off cam because my client ended up coming over and I did everything that one day, and I did not record doing it on my client because I'm not sure if she was up for all that or whatever. So now we're going to go ahead and take this rhinestone trim that I have, and we're going to use this for like the part that's going to go around the neck. But before we apply that, we're going to go ahead and cut off some of the mesh because we didn't need all of it. And right here you should see me showing like we have some very thin thread that we using because the hose on the trim was very thin, so I have to go to the store and find a real thin needle. But anyways, as you can see, I am just going in and sewing this down, hand sewing, and then I will get into a little more detail so you guys can see a little bit up close like so. Yeah, this dress was challenging to me, but I feel like I made it challenging. I was doing a lot of overthinking. Okay, so right here you're going to take your Tula, and I took like a little cardboard, measured it out to the length that I needed, and we're going to basically keep folding this. I didn't do a lot on cam, but you're going to need way more than I am showing you. So go ahead and fold it and cut like that, and I went ahead and measured the length that I need for my client, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess fabric. And now y'all cut down the center of the cardboard like so, and this part does not have to be like super neat, or it don't have to be like perfect pieces or nothing like that. So just get a nice little cut, and then you're gonna do another cut straight down the middle of that. And like I said, you are gonna need a bunch of these because these are what we're gonna use to actually make the tutu. So right here I am showing y'all one side is still attached and one side is together, so you're gonna have like a really long rectangular piece. And now I'm threading my bobbin. Okay, so on this part, I went ahead and already measured my client waist for the elastic band, and now we're going to take those pieces that we just cut out and tie them around this elastic band. So y'all, for this part, it's two different techniques that you can use. I am showing you the first where you can tie 2 knots and it'll be done like so, and then there's also another method where you can just do the little loop thing, and I didn't do that on cam, so if y'all need that, let me know and I'll give y'all another video. And now this is me using the organza fabric, and this is just like a thicker layer of mesh fabric that we can put on top for the tutu. So I am doing the circle method, y'all. I did this using my prom dress, so if y'all want a more detailed video on it, you can go and look at that. But we're going to cut these two areas, the top and the bottom, and then you're going to have your circle skirt, and we're going to sew up each sides of that. And y'all, this dress was a little difficult, but I honestly feel like I made it difficult though, because I was doing a whole lot of overthinking. This is what it's looking like, y'all. Like I said, I was in a rush, so this video is not 100% detailed, but now I am attaching the mesh and the applique to the actual skirt. My client came back over and we placed them in the correct areas. I pinned them, as you can see, and yeah, we're just gonna sew that down like so. And now I am hand sewing this rhinestone trim around the waist area. But y'all, honestly, I feel like next time, like for something like this, I can glue it, because it was very hard for my client to get into it. Like, everything that I'm doing is new to me, so I'm still learning, y'all. But I was just showing y'all on that little part where we are attaching the organza to the top of the tutu, and we literally just sewed that around. And I'm showing y'all the finishing part right there. And now we just attaching the horsehair around the organza. And y'all, that's it. My client wasn't able to get pictures, but this is the final and finishing look. Follow for more videos, subscribe, and I love you guys oh so much. My client fat, yeah, get into it.